Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and garden insights. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a stylish, modern, and incredibly functional outdoor space? A place to relax, entertain, and truly enjoy your backyard? So, you've probably considered a pergola. But what if I told you there's a design that takes shade and style to a whole new level? Today we're diving into the sleek and sophisticated world of cantilever pergolas. We'll explore what makes them so special, why they're the perfect addition to any home, and I'll show you 10 of the most stunning designs you can use for inspiration. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a cantilever pergola? Unlike traditional pergolas that are supported by 4 posts, a cantilever design uses a unique structural principle. It features a roof or shade structure that extends outwards from a main support on one side, creating a large, open, and post-free area underneath. This overhang or cantilever effect is not only visually striking and modern, but it also offers a key functional benefit. It eliminates the need for posts on one side, giving you unobstructed views and maximizing usable space. This makes them perfect for areas next to a pool, over an outdoor kitchen, or to simply open up your patio. The appeal of a cantilever pergola goes far beyond its good looks. The first major benefit is the uninterrupted space. Without a post in every corner, you have more freedom to arrange furniture, move around, and enjoy a completely open-air feel. This design is also incredibly versatile. It can be attached to your home or a wall, or it can be a standalone structure with a single row of supports. Another huge advantage is its modern aesthetic. The clean lines and bold architectural statement of a cantilever pergola instantly elevate your backyard, giving it a high-end, contemporary look. Finally, they provide effective sun protection exactly where you need it, often shading a specific area like a dining table or lounge set while maintaining an airy, open feel for the rest of your yard. Decorating your cantilever pergola is all about enhancing its modern appeal and making it a comfortable, inviting extension of your home. Start with the flooring. Whether it's a sleek concrete pad, warm wood decking, or elegant pavers, the right foundation sets the tone. Next, consider the furniture. Choose pieces with clean lines and a contemporary feel. Think modular sectionals, stylish lounge chairs, or a minimalist dining set. To make the space cozy, add textiles like weather-resistant throw pillows and a plush outdoor rug. And don't forget lighting. Integrated LED strips, modern pendant lights, or even a chandelier can transform the space for evening use. Finally, bring in greenery. Potted plants, vertical gardens, or climbing vines can soften the structure and connect it to the natural landscape. And when it comes to materials, you have several excellent options, each with its own look and feel. First, aluminum, a top choice for its durability and modern appearance. Aluminum is lightweight, rust-proof, and requires very little maintenance, making it perfect for a sleek, minimalist design. Second, steel, a fantastic option for a bold, industrial look. Steel is incredibly strong and can support large, expansive structures. It's often powder-coated for protection and can be finished in a variety of colors, from classic black to bronze. Third, wood. For a warmer, more natural aesthetic, wood is a great choice. Hardwoods like cedar or redwood are naturally rot-resistant. Wood can be stained or painted to match any color palette and adds a beautiful, organic feel to the space. Fourth, composite materials. A low-maintenance alternative that combines the look of wood with the durability of plastic. Composite materials are resistant to fading, rot, and insects, offering the best of both worlds. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 cantilever pergola design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the floating poolside pergola. This design is pure luxury. The cantilever structure appears to float effortlessly above the deck, creating a stunning visual centerpiece for this modern pool area. The integrated lighting in the wooden ceiling and the elegant white stone wall with a built-in fire feature and waterfall make this a true masterpiece for both day and night. 2. The classic black and white poolside shade. A perfect blend of classic style and modern functionality. This cantilever pergola uses a simple black and white color scheme to create a bold statement against the clear blue sky. It provides ample shade for a dining area next to the pool, allowing for comfortable outdoor meals while enjoying the beautiful backyard view. 3. The elegant latticed lounger pergola. For a sophisticated and architectural touch, this pergola features a unique latticed roof design that allows for dappled light and shadow play. The integrated LED lighting along the inner frame makes this a magical spot for relaxing on lounge chairs in the evening, creating a serene and modern retreat. 4. The rustic arched wood pergola. Proving that Cantilever designs aren't just for modern homes, this stunning wooden pergola features beautiful arched supports that give it a rustic, inviting feel. The natural wood tones blend seamlessly with the lush landscaping, providing a charming and functional shade structure for a cozy patio dining area. 5. The sleek all-white deck pergola. This is a fantastic example of using a cantilever pergola to define a specific zone. The clean, white structure stands out against the dark fence and complements the elegant white railing. It provides perfect shade for a comfortable outdoor sofa, making this wood-decked area a tranquil spot for relaxation and conversation. 6. The ultimate outdoor kitchen hub. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with a cantilever pergola like this. The structure's bold black frame and stunning wooden ceiling create a luxurious resort-like feel. It houses a state-of-the-art outdoor kitchen, complete with a grill, a sink, and a beautiful marble island, making it the ultimate entertaining space. 7. The open-air barbecue and bar pergola. This design is perfect for those who love to grill and entertain. The cantilever roof extends over a built-in barbecue and bar area, providing essential shade for cooking and mingling. The modern asymmetrical design is both functional and visually interesting, perfectly complementing the minimalist aesthetic of the yard. 8. The warm and cozy fire pit pergola. A cantilever pergola can create a cozy and intimate outdoor living room. This design features a warm wooden underside and provides a perfect canopy for a comfortable sectional and a central fire pit. It's the ideal spot for gathering with friends and family on a cool evening, offering shelter and warmth while still feeling open to the outdoors. 9. The modern slatted privacy screen pergola. This design combines shade with privacy. The cantilever pergola features a striking slatted roof for sun protection and a matching slatted wall that serves as a privacy screen. The laser-cut decorative panel adds a unique touch of artistry, making this a truly customized and sophisticated outdoor cooking and dining space. 10. The bold two-tone pergola with privacy wall. This beautiful design uses a dark wooden frame with a lighter wood slatted roof and privacy wall. The contrast creates visual interest and defines a separate, cozy seating area within a larger backyard. It provides a sense of enclosure and intimacy without feeling closed off, perfect for a quiet reading nook or a relaxed chat area. I hope these incredible designs have given you plenty of inspiration for your own outdoor projects. Cantilever pergolas are more than just a shade structure. They're a statement piece that blends modern design with practical functionality, transforming your backyard into a truly special place. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing home decor and design ideas, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which of these designs was your favorite, or what kind of outdoor space you're dreaming of creating. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.